Hey, thanks for clicking this video. Now watch this. Let me just simply go to ChatGPT and type who is Rao Pranjal Yadav. Now see the results. You can see ChatGPT knows me who I am and what I do. Now simply watch this. Let me just type best addiction recovery center in Phoenix. You can see only these businesses showed up and 1,000 exist in area like Phoenix and only these are getting recommended. I want you to watch this. Best gyms in Miami. As you can see, some businesses are already winning in AI search and most are completely invisible. Hi, my name is Rao Pranjal Yadav and I ranked myself on ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Copilot as an AI marketing expert. And today I'm going to show you exactly how this works, why it matters for your business and how you can start doing this by yourself. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the next 12 months will separate businesses that thrive from those that disappear. So let's go. Before we dive in, let me show you why you should listen to me. You have already seen this that almost every LLM model knows me. This is Perplexity, this is Copilot, and I'm pretty much sure that other models also know me as well. Look, I'm not a guru, I'm not selling a course. I just run a marketing agency where I help local businesses do exactly what I did for myself, show up when their customers are searching on AI. And the best part, I did this without spending a dollar on ads. Just strategic visibility, and I'm going to break down the entire system for you today. Now let's start. I want you to understand what is GEO actually. So GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization, and think of it like search engine optimization is equal to getting found on Google, and generative engine optimization is getting recommended by AI. So this is a very clear, crisp difference between SEO and GEO. In this screen, you can see the visual comparison of Google search bar and ChatGPT interface. When someone searches on Google gyms near me, they get a list of 10 plus options. When someone asks ChatGPT, what's the best gym in Miami? They get 2 to 3 specific recommendations. Google shows options, AI make recommendations. Google say here are some gyms, AI say I recommend this gym because. Which one do you think converts better? Exactly. That's why GEO matters. Here's a quick comparison between SEO and GEO and why they are totally different things. SEO is totally based on keyword, not on context, but GEO is context driven, not just keyword. SEO gives result generic and it's not tailored, but GEO is highly relevant and specific and give personalized recommendation, not just simple data. Now coming to the next part, how AI decides whom to recommend. So how AI decide whom to recommend is like AI tools like ChatGPT don't browse the internet live. They learn from the data they already collected and they trust certain sources more than others. Here's what AI pays attention to: news articles and media mentions, website structure and clarity, reviews and online reputation, how often your business is mentioned, authority signal in your industry. If you are not in their database the right way, you don't exist. Now, the shift is happening now. 40% of the Gen Z users uses ChatGPT instead of Google for search, and Google just launched AI overview and you can see how Google is generating the results above. This is the new AI overview feature, and even Bing integrated ChatGPT directly to search, and even Apple is adding AI to Siri and Spotlight, and the new tool Perplexity is growing 5 times year over year. What's the deal here for you? Let me make this real. If you run addiction recovery center and someone asks, I need help with addictions in Phoenix, where should I go? You either show up or you don't. If you run a gym and someone asks you best CrossFit gym in Denver, you either get recommended or your competitor does. And the window is closing, because here what's most important business owners don't realize. You have a 6 to 12 month window before everyone figure this out. Right now you are early, you are lucky that you are viewing this video right now, and I'm pretty much you will thank yourself for watching this video. And a year from now you will be playing catch up. So here's the kicker: AI updates their data every 3 to 6 months. If you start today, you might see results in the quarter 2, But if you wait until next year, your competitor will already own that spot. Let's talk money because I know what you are thinking and I don't want to waste your time anymore. So option 1 is do it yourself, which will be between free to $500. Time investment would be 40 to 60 hours over 3 months. You'll need to pitch publications, optimize your profile, rewrite content, and track everything yourself. This is the do it yourself route, and the reality check is it's cheap, you'll learn processes, but the problem is it takes forever and it's very easy to get messed up. And mostly media outlets ignore cold pitches, and 70% of the people give up in the halfway. So there's a second option too, that you hire freelancers and it will cost you something between 1500 US dollars to 3000. And what you'll need is a PR person for media placements. Their prices, according to me, I've written here, I've researched a lot. You need a SEO specialist and a content writer. And again, the do it yourself reality check is it's affordable than agency, but again you are managing multiple people instead of quality, no accountability, and still take 4 to 6 months. So let me share you my approach here. So this is why I built my offer completely different. Instead of hiring a full-time agency who is eating your monthly retainers, I will charge just $5,000 one time, no monthly fee. And what you will get is 5 to 8 media placement because I have relationships with publications, complete local SEO setup, content optimized for AI, 1 year of full support included. And why one time? Because once your foundation is built, it works for you and you never need to pay me forever. Okay, but here's what I know. I know not everyone watching this can invest $5,000 right now, and that's completely okay. So I created something for you. I built a free community where I share the exact tools I use to rank businesses on AI. This. Inside my free community, the complete do-it-yourself geo blueprint, step-by-step guide to do this yourself. There will be weekly AI visibility tips, what's working right now, what will work in the future, the templates and the scripts, the media pitch template, content framework, and even the case studies, the real example of businesses showing up on AI. And also the question and answer support, because I'm active in the community answering almost every question. Plus, there would be free bonuses worth $10,000. This is perfect if you want to learn GEO but can't invest in done for you yet. You are willing to put in the work yourself. You want to connect with other business owners doing the same thing. You are serious about getting ahead of this trend. Look, I'm giving away the blueprint because I believe every business deserves a shot at this. Some of you will do it and crush it. Other will realize you'd rather have someone to handle it and will work together. Either way you win. The link to join my community is in the descriptions. It's completely free, no credit card, no upsells, just value. Everything in that free community, I can execute it for you in just 2.5 months instead of 4+ months you'd be spending doing it yourself. And why you need to work with me? Because I have media relationships. You'll pitch 50 publication and get 2 responses. I pitch 10, I get 7 placements right away. I spent 3 years building these connections. I have done this myself. In the start of this video, I've shown you myself on AI. I'm not teaching theory. I've ranked on every major AI tool. I know what works because I've tested it on myself. Understand the technical side, the SEO structured data, the schema markup. The stuff is confusing. I totally get it, but I have a team that handles it directly the first time. And the best thing is you get a full year support. Most agencies do work and disappear. I monitor your AI visibility for 12 months and make adjustments. Okay, now coming to the roadmap, what is actually working together look like? So in the first month, we'll audit your current AI visibility. At least we'll try to secure more than 5 to 8 media placements, optimize your GMB and website. GMB stand for Google My Business. And in the month 2 to 2.5 will give you content that goes live, the structure data which will be implemented, the first tracking report. In the last months, like 3 to 12 months, we'll do monthly monitoring, adjustments are needed, and support when you have questions. And the investment is just $5,000 only. This is perfect for you if you run an established local business like more than 1 year. You want to dominate your marketing. You understand this is a 3 to 6 month play. You provide great service worth recommending and would rather focus on running your business than learning on GEO. This is not for you if you want instant results this week. You are a brand new with no track record. You are not willing to invest in growth. So, where is this actually going? Let me paint a picture of the next 2 to 3 years and let me show you the future of AI from right now. In 2025, the early people who adopt AI will dominate the AI search results, and while most businesses are totally unaware. In 2026, AI search became mainstream. Businesses will scramble to catch up and the competition increased to 10 times. And in 2027, AI search results is the default. Being invisible is totally being out of business. And there is a thing called compound effect. And every media mention makes the next one easier. Every AI recommendation brings more customer is equal to more reviews, and more reviews is equal to higher AI rankings, and higher AI rankings will lead you to get more recommendation. It compounds. The business that start today will have in totally infinite loop of leads in every 18 months. Alright, you have just two paths forward. Join the free community, do this yourself. You'll get the complete blueprint, templates and support. It will take time and effort, but it's 100% doable and possible. The second path is book a call, let me handle it for you. We'll audit your AI visibility, create a custom plan, execute everything in just 2.5 months, and I only take 8 clients per quarter because media placements need personal attention. I'm not saying traditional marketing dies. Google ads still work, SEO still matters, social media is important, but AI search is the new channel and it is growing very fast. You either adapt now while it's easy, or you play catch up later when it's 10 times harder. And here are some testimonials, and I don't want you because they are already my great clients. I've been working for them and they are super happy. Yeah. And even I've helped some coaches like you to rank on AI, and she is a coach who have literally went from 5 to 50,000 subscribers as a coach, and we are working for almost 1 to 1.5 years. So even you can search her name. Her name is Debbie. You can just go to ChatGPT and simply write who is Debbie Dashinger. You will see the results. You are open to do anything. Whether you do it yourself this or hire me doesn't matter. The matter is you start, because in 12 months AI search will be everywhere. Your customer will be using it. Your competitor will be showing. The only question is will you? The free community and the calendar link is both in the description. Join the community, check out your free blueprint, and let me make sure when people search your business in your city, your name comes up. I'll see you inside the community or on a call, so let's go. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.